As temperatures plummet and winter sets in, we are blessed enough to be able to safeguard ourselves from the cold. For countless communities in Syria, however, winter is a time for uncertainty and a time for dread. As for their circumstances, do not allow them the luxury of preparation nor warmth. For millions of Syrians, the cold weather is another compounding problem, adding to their already dire living conditions. The Middle Eastern region naturally experiences extremely hot summers, and in contrast, very harsh winters, characterized by sub-zero temperatures and prolonged periods of snow. We cannot even begin to fathom the difficulty for some 7 million internally displaced men, women, and children. Countless vulnerable and isolated people have been left without adequate clothing or shelter, leaving them tragically vulnerable to the unforgiving elements and freezing temperatures. This winter, Al-Khair Foundation is providing winter warmer packs to countless families trying to survive the harsh and bitter weather that is taking hold of the region. Each winter warmer pack includes blankets, clothing, basic medical supplies and supplements to safeguard a family through this winter season. Bring warmth now to some of the most desperate and vulnerable people in Syria by calling 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.